What's up, guys? Oh, 4th of July. Let's go. Whee! Okay. I got my brother here. Say what's up to the vlog. You can't even see the fireworks. But this video might be posted most likely tomorrow because I can't edit this at midnight and post it on midnight.
Wowzers,
We're gonna do the little ones and then the big boys.
I guess.
And let me light it. Bro.
Get your own.
Fine. If this video gets age restricted just because there's fireworks, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be so mad. Ooh. You guys sit here. Flame. Remember when we used to play with these like all the time?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the smoke. Oh my god. It just hit mom's car.
Oh, look at a different color.
It fell off. Can you lit mine? Can you lit? Can you lit?
Bro, what the?
Dude, you can't lit mine. Alright, whatever, don't lit it. We need a...
Water bucket.
Maybe.
Go get a bucket or something.
Fine. Gotta use a bucket, guys. Got it to work.
Back up that way.
There you go, right here.
You know how it happened? We're pulling out. Yeah, I don't want that happening to you.
It's dead.
And that one died so bad.
Yeah, because it's little, bro. Just like my. Wait, what? When you see. Oh, it's loose hook. It's like a hurricane. No, I was kidding.
Hey, man, let's go get it.
This one.
Bro, my fuse is so short.
Make it taller.
That one just sat there.
I forgot how.
Is there recoil?
Oh!
Watch out for the car.
Where?
Over there. That's out. Something to do there. Back up.
Did it hit my hand a little bit? Woo! Ah, the smoke everywhere. Oh, you know what? Lit it and then oh, no, I was kidding. Let me get this one. We're chilling. We're chilling. Lock in.
Wait.
Oh my god, this is stupid. me!
Whoa, buddy!
Did you even put it in there right?
I did, I swear.
You didn't push it down all the way.
Oh.
Oh, damn. Only Kevin.
Those are cool.
I'm just trying to light this thing.
Give me. I'm not lit, I'm not lit. I'm lit.
Jameson, I'm so
Oh yeah, let's see who can last.
what?
Lock in. Dude, am I still going? Is yours still going?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yours is dead. Buddy, oh, belly go. Leviosa. Oh no!
Hey!
No!
Tomorrow.
This is July 5th. Yesterday was July 4th. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. The intro took like so long for some reason. This video took me like 2 hours to edit, which is fine, which I'm used to editing, because it was just kind of like clips to clips, but I bunched it up like the daytime like scenes or whatever clips. Like I mixed up with like the dark, which is fine, but the video is for 4th of July anyway, so I'm gonna end the video. I'm tired. I have to get this done around like 1 p.m. or 12 o'clock or something like that. If it gets posted at 1 p.m., then it's, if you're 2 hours ahead, then it'll be 3 p.m. And if you're like 3 hours, it'll be 4 p.m. But that doesn't matter, so I'm gonna end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. If you guys are new, hit the subscribe button. Like the video, please. Comment down below. And yeah, I'm tired. So, hit the... Okay, I'm just gonna end the video. See y'all in the next one.
Open the door. Hi, my name is Snapple. My background consists of watermelon and lemonade. The more you open this door and the more you hold me, my temperature goes down and I'm not drinkable anymore. Close the goddamn door!